in my mind, it was an occupation that was designed to serve the community, and the most precious asset of a community, which are its children.
Do you think part of it is also that love of helping others? I mean, we've talked to a handful of teachers now, and I think that that's one of the biggest commonalities is that they have this passion for helping people, whether it's young kids or any other age. Is that something that you share as well?
Sure, I think if I had to put my finger on what really drives me, um, service service in general is what drives me, and I think that is why I always wanted to be a teacher, because to me, in my mind, it was an occupation that was designed to serve the community, and the most precious asset of a community, which are its children. So in my view, and the driving force for me was to serve other human beings, and in doing so, the opportunity that I got to do it through was teaching, and I felt that was where I belonged.